Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Welcome to the Halal Times YouTube channel. As you all know, that Japan is a land of ancient traditions and futuristic wonders. It has become a sought after destination for travelers from all over the world, of course, including the Muslim community. Now, the question for the people living for the hospitality in the country is whether the country Japan is ready to meet the unique needs of Muslim travelers. Let's embark on a journey to find out the answer to this very important question. As you all know, Muslim travelers, like others, have specific requirements: halal food, places to prayer, and accommodation that aligns with Islamic practices. How well Japan does cater to these essentials? That's an important question which we need to address. As you know, Japan's culinary scene is evolving. Traditional dishes, once off limits due to non halal or haram ingredients, are now being reinvented in halal friendly versions. From Tokyo's bustling streets to Kyoto's serene settings, halal dining options are on the rise every single day. Recognizing the importance of prayer in Islam, Japan has started to offer dedicated prayer spaces in so many different places. And of course, the airports and big malls and so many other places are also a part of this campaign. These facilities, while not yet widespread, of course, they're not available everywhere, but they are available in the most important places, as I mentioned now. These places signify Japan's commitment to inclusive tourism. Here in Japan, accommodations are also adapting. From city hotels to countryside ryokans or inns, more are providing amenities like Qibla markers and prayer mats, making stays comfortable for Muslim guests. But brothers and sisters, despite strides in the right direction, challenges remain. Of course, there's no doubt about it. And what those challenges are, perhaps the most important challenge for Japan to overcome is the language barrier and a lack of widespread awareness about Islamic practices. Yet, Japan's commitment to excellence in hospitality presents a unique opportunity to bridge these gaps. Japan's journey towards becoming a fully Muslim friendly destination involves continuous education, targeted marketing, infrastructure development, and community engagement. To achieve its objective of attracting a huge number of Muslim travelers, Japan has to engage with the local Muslim community as well. Japan has to understand as to what the Muslim requirements are as far as the travel industry is concerned. Once it gets broader understanding and it starts marketing its facilities and it starts educating its hospitality industry and actually develops the infrastructure, it will surely start attracting a lot of Muslim travels, not just from the Middle East, not just from Southeast Asia, but from all parts of the world. Why? Because Japan is already an attractive place for most travelers in the world. So, brothers and sisters, as you all know, Japan is on a path of transformation, embracing the diverse needs of global travelers. With ongoing efforts, the land of the rising sun promises to be a warm, welcoming destination for Muslim tourists, enriching its tapestry of global visitors. So, please join us in exploring Japan that is ready to welcome all. The adventure awaits you all. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate the time you've taken to listen to this podcast. And inshallah, within a few days' time, we'll come up with another episode from the Halal Times. Till then, thank you so much and Salam Alaikum.